Hello everyone, this is our last video of the Health App Guide series. In this video we will customize the home screen and link features to it. And we will edit the menu list of our Health App. Let's start with customizing our home screen. In the previous tutorial, we already created all the features for our app. Now, we will just link those with the home screen image. On the Makers page, go to the page menu and click on the Link Wizard button. Now, go to the User page option and click on the Image Map option. Click on the Add button. On this screen, we will customize our home screen. First, set the name and upload the image of our home screen. Now, to link the feature with the image, we will create a button and then we will link that button with the required feature. Choose any shape for the button. For best customization of the shape, we pick the polygon shape. Start drawing the button on the image, and once done, you can see the settings on the right side of your drawn button. These are the default settings. You can delete them, and now we'll link our newly created button. Click on the button to open its settings. Click to link the action and then click on the Link Wizard button. From this pop-up window, we will choose the feature specified to this button. For this button, we have created a template, so we will link that to it. Click on the template and click on the Reflect button. Click on the Save button to save these changes. This way you can link different features with the buttons. On our home screen, we will have the free trial option. Here, we link the created templates with it. For our next option, named as Fast Workout, we link our created bulletin board. Now, moving on to the area of focus menus, one by one we will link required bulletin board with each of the menu options. For the fitness plan, we will link our digital category in which all of our fitness plans are available. Here, we will link the created motivation bulletin board with our motivational menu area. For our private and personal journal area, we link the created bulletin board with each respectively. Lastly, we will link templates created for our recipe menu. For the features that I'm linking with the home screen right now, we created all these features in our previous guide of the Health App. Watch the previous part to gain a better understanding of those creations. Now, we are done linking all the menus for our home screen. Now, let's link our newly created home screen with our app. Go to the page menu, click on the home screen area and then click on the Link Wizard button. Go to the Users page option, click on the Image Map option and select the home screen image and then click on the Reflect button. Move on to click on the Apply and the Save button to apply all the changes. Now you can look at the mock-up to see how your home screen will look. You can also modify or change your home screen according to your requirement. Let's move on to creating the menu of our app. We mostly linked all the features of our app with our home screen, but if you wish, you can also again show them as app menus. First, click on the drop-down arrow of the head menu. Click on any of the sub-menus to modify them. Then click on the Link Wizard button and link any features with it. Here I'm linking our recipe template. Let's see how it will look on our app. For this app, there will be other default menus features that will be useful. They are an administrator chat menu for customer support, a login menu, and a My Page menu to see purchase related details. You can explore the rest of the features and use them according to your requirement.